You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name for more medication names and medical terms pronunciations. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Aztreonam, Aztreonam, or some say it also as Aztreonam. Both pronunciations are indeed correct in English, Aztreonam or Aztreonam. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.